quick beer review. So we have a beer from Rivington in collaboration with Three Sons Brewing Co. It's a can there, letters with a pen, a Mexican hot chocolate Imperial Stout, a Mexican hot chocolate inspired Imperial Stout brewed with the help of our mates Three Sons Brewing, all the way from Dania Beach in Florida. It's got cacao nibs, ancho chilies, chipotle chilies, pasilla chilies, vanilla, cinnamon, and hops. So let's see what we get on the aroma. Lots of chocolate with a nice sort of savoury chili note and a bit of cinnamon. Let's see what we got on the taste. Yeah, dark chocolate with a nice sort of smoky chili flavour. A little bit of heat, but not too much. Lots of cinnamon. Yeah, the spice really starts to come through towards the end. It's really thick, sort of syrupy mouthfeel. It's absolutely banging and one I'd absolutely recommend. Cheers.